Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 10th class chemistry, lecture 15, chapter acid, base and salts. Today we will learn about the preparation of salt, how salts can be prepared. Salt may be water soluble or insoluble. The methods used for the preparation of salts are based on their solubility in water. There are different methods from which we can prepare salts, and salts may be soluble or not soluble, that is dissolved in water, or some salts doesn't dissolve in water. General methods for the preparation of salts. There are 5 general methods for the preparation of salts. From 5 ways we can prepare salts, but 4 methods make soluble salts, 1 prepare insoluble salts. From 4 methods, the salts which is obtained is dissolved in water, but from 1 method, the salts, newly prepared salts, is not dissolved in water. Now, preparation of soluble salts. How we can prepare soluble salts? Soluble salts are often prepared in water. Therefore, they are recovered by evaporation or crystallization. The salts which is dissolved in water, we can obtain that salts by the method of evaporation and crystallization. First preparation. First method, by the reaction of an acid and a metal. When the acid reacts with metal, the salts which is produced is very soluble in water. This is known as direct displacement method, in which hydrogen ion of the acid is replaced by reactive metal such as calcium, magnesium, zinc and iron. Here acid is hydrochloric acid and metal is reactive metal, that is magnesium. When magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid, it produces magnesium chloride MgCl2. From hydrochloric acid, hydrogen is replaced with magnesium. Then magnesium Cl2 is formed and hydrogen gas evolve out. This salt, magnesium chloride, is soluble in water. Second process, by the reaction of an acid with a base. This is known as neutralization reaction, and this reaction you have learned in the reaction of chemical properties of acid and also chemical properties of base. It is a neutralization reaction in which acid and base reacts to produce a salt and water. Acid is hydrochloric acid and base is NaOH. Double displacement method, hydrogen is displaced with sodium, HCl is converted into NaCl and NaOH is converted into H2O. Double displacement reaction. When acid reacts with base, it produces salt and water. This salt is also dissolved in water. Third reaction, by the reaction of an acid with the metallic oxide. Mostly the insoluble metallic oxides react with dilute acid to form salt and water. Here acid is sulfuric acid H2SO4. Insoluble metallic oxide is copper oxide. When both reacts with each other, they produce copper sulfate. Hydrogen is also replaced with copper in the sulfuric acid. Then CuSO4 plus H2O. Double, this is also double displacement reaction, and this salt is dissolved in water. by the reaction of an acid and metallic oxide. Acid is sulfuric acid, metallic oxide is copper oxide, double displacement reaction, copper sulfate CuSO4 is obtained. This salt is dissolved in water and water will also produce. Fourth reaction, by the reaction of an acid and a carbonate. Dilute acid, here nitric acid, any acid can be used. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, when reacts with metallic carbonates, sodium carbonate, sodium is metal, CO3 is carbonate, Na2CO3, it produces salt, water and carbon dioxide gas, NaNO3. This is sodium nitrate plus H2O plus CO2. Now 4 reactions has been completed, 4 processes. From these methods we can obtain soluble salts. Now preparation of insoluble salts. In this method usually solution of soluble salts are mixed. Soluble salts, firstly we will take soluble salts, then their solutions. When both mix with each other, during the reaction of exchange of ionic radicals, that is positive ion and negative ion, metallic radicals exchange with acid radicals. Metallic radical, sodium is metallic radical, takes place to produce 2 new salts. One of the salt is insoluble and other is soluble. The insoluble salts precipitates out sodium silver nitrate AgNO3 plus NaCl. Both are soluble salts. When mixed with each other it produces silver chloride plus NaNO3. Sodium nitrate is AQ is written in the at the bottom of sodium nitrate. It produces soluble salt, and silver chloride S is written at the bottom of silver chloride. It means solid. Precipitates of silver chlorides are formed. This is insoluble salt. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus CuSO4. When both mixed with each other they produce copper carbonate. S is written, it means it is in solid form. Precipitates of insoluble salts. So copper carbonate is insoluble and sodium sulfate is Na2SO4 is soluble. It is in aqueous form. Now preparation has been completed. 4 methods for the preparation of soluble salts and 1 method for the preparation of insoluble salts. Now you have learnt in the previous lecture salts, formulas, characteristics, and now preparation. From these 2 lectures, please write all the answers of these questions on your neat copy. Here are 5 questions. You can search from these topics. Now, take care. Allah Hafiz.